Hello guys, I have this growing capsule and I will put it in hot water
Tara.
and it will go into these animals.
So, let us try na.
So let us put it in the hot water. Wait a minute. Pagunting!
What color?
Let's put color
Color what first?
red first.
Red one first. Careful. No, put there. Put there. Put the
Where?
capsule.
And here,
No! Yeah.
why?
Oh, put there. And then put some hot water. Put some hot water. Okay. Okay. Enough.
What?
Watch it. Watch it
Let
grow.
it,
Oh, mainit.
how is it supposed to? So let it melt for some seconds. Let it melt. Let it melt for now.
Okay. I see some tiny...
Let it melt.
Oo.
I'm trying to. Wait, what is that?
Okay. Ayan, gumagalaw. Ayan! Gumagalaw.
Naano yung kamay ko.
Ay, gumagalaw. Naging...
So
naging ano siya?
it became a rhinosaur.